Okay, so we are done with the shopping and I'm gonna head back home and I'll take some footage of the mountains. I hear my daughter cleaning up downstairs in the kitchen, which is awesome. She's on Thanksgiving break, so I didn't even ask her, but I hear the sound of plates being put away, so that's a magical sound. So tomorrow's Thanksgiving and neither of my ovens work. So that means he has to get the board sent out for repair, and because they don't make those anymore, so they have to rebuild the board, and that's where we are. So for Thanksgiving we are going over to friends' houses, luckily and blessed, but I need to bring something, and it needs to be to where it's not baked. And also right now my range isn't working because it's on the same breaker as the oven, so waiting for the repair guy to come and turn the breaker back on, secure the wires to the oven, so at least we have the range working. Looking for a recipe for a salad. The reason why I was looking at this book is because it is designed for potlucks, and so it is designed to make a larger batch. So for groups of like 30, 50, and 100. So I thought I'd have a peek and see a calico potato salad. How would that work? Well, it's visually appealing because it's got a lot of colors in it. Does seem to be vegetarian. That one won't work. It's got chicken in it. I was thinking about like some sort of like a layered cake, a layered salad. Almond mandarin salad. That sounds refreshing. Sounds really yummy. I think this might sound nice. I think I'm going to aim for this almond mandarin salad. Now, moving on to sewing. What have I been working on? So let me zoom out so that I can show you. So super fun is this very useful car trash can pattern, and I really liked it, and I will be sharing the pattern with you. There's also a video already out there. It's by Mormino, And what I like about this is that it's beginner friendly and it's utilitarian, because who doesn't need a car trash can, right? It whips up really easily, quickly, and it's a great gift idea because you can customize the fabrics. So I was thinking about ordering some fabrics for people in my life that might appreciate this, i.e. My friend who likes penguins. I was on Spoonflower looking for some fabrics that were penguins, and I thought it would be cute to make her one of these for her car. The inside is I made out of waterproof canvas, so that if you have anything that is kind of messy in your car, it won't leak through. And another thing I like about it is that it has these Velcro snaps, so it's just really easy to take on and off to wash. And also you can spin it around from the front car seat to the back if you have somebody that's coming and sitting in your car. And it's easy just throwing into the wash, and it really didn't take very long to make, so I love that. And it also works well on the back of a door to hold things. The other pattern that I recently made was for this cute little organizer, and I just loved it because it's really useful. What I've got in it so far is I was actually working on a pouch. I wanted to see if I could make a pouch that was all completely hand sewn, and I finished it last night. So let me just show you this pattern. It has pockets on the outside. And pockets on the inside. I just used denim to line the inside. And yeah, I like the little convenient size. And you can just carry it around with your sewing supplies. Now, I had this downstairs because I was making this by hand, and so all I needed was this thread magic that you can use for your thread, and it makes hand sewing super easy. And a pair of snips and the clips. And with that, I was able to just throw together this little pouch. Covered in fur by my lovely pups. So just finished that last night. Okay, so what else have I been working on? Let's see. I have been working on children's books, and so far I have 3 written. So I'm really interested in trying to get them published, just because I think it would be fun to share with the world. The first book that I have written includes Samson, my German Shepherd, and it has something to do with sewing. So I'm excited, because how great would it be to share sewing, the love of sewing, with the world, right? With your grandkids. So that is in the works. And so I have submitted that to several publishers to see if anybody would be interested. So I am trying to learn about illustrating and writing children's books. So this was an old book that I found. Working my way through that. Just jotting down some ideas in my little booklet. I made a little cover for it with sparkles. Just playing with that. And this has like a little zipper, and I put all these little fun stars in there. But you could leave the stars out and just put your pens and such in there. And it just slips onto a regular composition book. And I had made this last year around Easter time, so I had used some paper to cover the composition book. Next on the agenda is quiet times. I'm wrapping up this book, Be Encouraged by Warren Wiersbe, and I'm on the lookout for a good quiet time book. So if you guys have any, drop it in the comments below. As far as reading, I just started reading this book, The Baxters. It's a prequel. I'm excited to get into it because there are a lot of other books that are in the series. So let me know if you've read anything by Karen Kingsbury. And then I picked up 2 other books that I was interested in reading, and that is these 2 books by Louise Penny. I've been listening to a couple of podcasts, and her name kept coming up with the 3 Pines as the setting, so I'm going to be looking at that. Now, I ordered this fun garland from a friend's sister who owns a shop in Michigan that is for, she displays art from around the world and imports it in from artisans around the world. Garland I just loved because it just reminded me of candies. It's from Nepal. Adorable.